In a world where privacy is becoming increasingly valuable, fitness and smartwatch users are beginning to ask a critical question: who really owns their data? For years, companies like Garmin, Apple, and Fitbit have stored vast amounts of our personal fitness information in the cloud, often leaving users with limited access to raw data and customization options. But that's about to change. A new open-source revolution is unfolding in the smartwatch world, one that gives users complete control over how they view, analyze, and interpret their fitness stats. Introducing Garmin Grafana, a tool that transforms the way Garmin smartwatch users can visualize and interact with their own data, locally, privately, and entirely on their terms. Whether you're a data geek, a health enthusiast, or simply someone who values independence from big tech ecosystems, Garmin Grafana could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Garmin has long been a pioneer in the world of smartwatches and fitness tracking, but now, thanks to an incredible open-source innovation called Garmin Grafana, users can finally visualize their health and activity data locally, privately, and with complete control. This revolutionary software gives Garmin smartwatch owners the power to access and display their own data without being fully dependent on Garmin's cloud-based ecosystem, offering a level of freedom and customization that the default Garmin Connect app simply can't match. Unlike Garmin Connect, which, while powerful, keeps users within Garmin's own interface and limitations, Garmin Grafana opens the door to endless configuration possibilities. Built on the popular data visualization platform Grafana, this tool retrieves your smartwatch data directly from Garmin servers and lets you build your own personalized dashboards with a stunning level of detail and flexibility. From tracking your oxygen saturation and stress levels to monitoring sleep patterns, recovery, and workout intensity, Garmin Grafana allows users to dig deeper into their data than ever before. The key difference is that all of this happens locally and securely, so you maintain full ownership and privacy over your personal information. The open-source nature of Garmin Grafana means it's constantly evolving, with a community of developers enhancing features and adding new visualization options for users who love to tinker. But make no mistake, this isn't your average plug-and-play app. Garmin Grafana does require some technical effort to set up, which makes it especially appealing to tech-savvy users who appreciate control. The software is available as a Docker container, meaning it needs to be installed in an environment that supports Docker, typically Linux, though Windows users can emulate a Linux system to get it running. There's even a helpful installation script to simplify the process, but it still demands some patience and understanding of the setup environment. Once it's running, however, Garmin Grafana automatically retrieves your smartwatch data at regular intervals. No more manual syncing or waiting for cloud updates. The system seamlessly pulls in all supported data types, including oxygen saturation (SpO2), daily step count, heart rate variability, stress and recovery levels, and detailed workout metrics. With these datasets, users can visualize their entire fitness journey through custom dashboards, overlaying multiple values to reveal deep insights that Garmin Connect doesn't natively offer. For instance, you can overlay your sleep data with your stress levels or compare oxygen saturation trends with workout intensity, helping you uncover patterns that can lead to improved health decisions. What truly makes Garmin Grafana exciting is its level of customization and flexibility. Users can create personalized metrics by calculating new values from existing data, such as average heart rate during recovery periods, long-term VO2 max trends, or cumulative weekly calorie expenditure. You can even set automated alerts and notifications for specific conditions. For example, getting an alert when your sleep quality drops below a set threshold or when your heart rate spikes unexpectedly. For data enthusiasts, this turns your Garmin smartwatch into a powerful health analytics lab right on your computer. It's like turning your wearable data into a personal fitness database, one that you fully control. Another impressive feature is the ability to create heat maps for activities like walking, running, or sleeping, visually representing where or when specific behaviors are most intense. These heat maps can highlight your most active times of day, your longest sleep phases, or even your recovery efficiency across the week. The beauty of Grafana lies in its visual power. Graphs, gauges, and data panels can be arranged any way you want, giving you the freedom to design your perfect analytics interface. For those who enjoy collaborative analysis or shared fitness tracking, Garmin Grafana even supports multi-user visualization, meaning you could display the data of two users side by side. This is particularly useful for couples, training partners, or coaches who want to compare performance and recovery metrics. However, this feature requires a bit more technical setup, as involves creating a second database within the same InfluxDB instance, which is a database engine used by Grafana for data storage and querying. But for those who love customization, that's part of the fun, because it's all about creating something uniquely yours. Beyond the technical setup, the impact of Garmin Grafana extends into a broader conversation about the future of health data and user empowerment. As more consumers become aware of how much information their devices collect, the demand for transparency and independence grows stronger. Garmin Grafana is part of this movement. The idea that you shouldn't need to rely entirely on corporate servers to understand your own health. This approach not only gives users confidence in their privacy, but also encourages a deeper connection to the data itself. When you build your own dashboards and set your own parameters, you're engaging directly with your body signals, understanding them more intuitively, and making data-driven choices that enhance your well-being. It's a shift from being a passive user of tech to becoming an active participant in your own digital health journey. Now, while Garmin Grafana is undoubtedly powerful, it's important to note that it's not officially developed or supported by Garmin. This means users rely on community documentation and open source forums for troubleshooting and improvements. But that's also part of the appeal. It's freedom through community, a space where tech enthusiasts share ideas, improve functionality, and develop creative ways to visualize data. Over time, as more Garmin users adopt Grafana, we can expect even more features and plugins tailored specifically for Garmin devices. Already, some advanced users have built unique dashboards that combine Garmin metrics with other health data sources, like sleep tracking apps or smart scales, to create a unified, holistic view of their well-being. This level of interoperability is something the official Garmin Connect platform simply can't match. Another exciting aspect is the potential integration of AI-driven analytics in the future. With open-source tools evolving rapidly, it's only a matter of time before users start applying machine learning models to predict recovery times, forecast fatigue, or even detect early signs of overtraining. Garmin Grafana provides a perfect foundation for such innovation. It's open, flexible, and data-rich. And because everything runs locally, these advanced analytics can be performed securely, without ever exposing sensitive health information to third-party servers. It's the ideal balance between innovation and privacy, and it aligns perfectly with the growing global emphasis on data sovereignty. In conclusion, Garmin Grafana represents a bold and empowering step forward for smartwatch users who want complete control over their health data. It's not just an app. It's a movement toward independence, transparency, and customization in the age of wearable technology. By giving you the ability to visualize, analyze, and even calculate new insights from your data, all within your local environment, it transforms the way you interact with your Garmin smartwatch. Yes, it takes some technical know-how to install and configure, but once it's up and running, the results are nothing short of revolutionary. You'll gain deeper insights into your health patterns, enjoy more flexibility in how your data is presented, and most importantly, you'll reclaim ownership of information that truly belongs to you. For those tired of closed ecosystems and cloud restrictions, Garmin Grafana is a refreshing breath of open-source freedom, a reminder that the best technology doesn't just serve you, it empowers you. So, if you're a Garmin user looking to elevate your data experience, it might be time to explore this open-source powerhouse. Take control of your information, customize your insights, and embrace a future where privacy and performance coexist. Because when it comes to fitness tracking, knowledge isn't just power, it's independence. That's the future Garmin Grafana represents. And as